Congress is considering a new bipartisan bill that would require owners of electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid cars to pay an annual fee. The goal is to cover their share of road repair costs, which are typically funded by gasoline and diesel taxes. If passed, the legislation would impose a fee of $130 for fully electric vehicles and $35 for plug-in hybrids. While sponsors argue this ensures electric vehicle owners pay their fair share for road maintenance, auto industry and environmental groups argue the flat rate is much higher than the average fuel taxes paid by drivers of traditional gas-powered cars. President Donald Trump's influence over the Republican Party is facing a major test this Tuesday. Voters in 6 states, including Kentucky, Georgia, and Pennsylvania, are heading to the polls for primary elections. The highest-profile race is taking place in Kentucky. There, Representative Thomas Massie, a prominent Republican critic of the president, is fighting to hold off a challenger endorsed by Trump. Meanwhile, the president has also backed candidates in crowded open-seat primaries for governor in Georgia and the Senate in Alabama. Political analysts are closely watching these races to gauge the power of a presidential endorsement ahead of the upcoming midterm elections. Tensions appear to be brewing at the United States Supreme Court as justices prepare to issue their final rulings of the term. During recent public appearances across the country, several justices have hinted at internal strains while defending the legitimacy of the court. Chief Justice John Roberts recently insisted that the public is misguided to view the justices as political actors. However, Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson offered a different tone. She warned that the public loses confidence when court decisions appear political, and she criticized the recent use of quick, unexplained emergency orders. The comments come as the court faces intense public scrutiny ahead of major upcoming decisions.